so on page 72 we have the song Zum Gali Gali. For this song we need to learn about the flat. And the flat is the opposite of the sharp. So it's the little symbol that looks like this. It's like the letter lowercase b, but it's kind of squished up on this side. And a flat means to play the very next key that is a half step lower. So if you look here on your diagram at the top of the page, you'll see here that we can move from, for instance, the note D down to D flat, or from the note E down to E flat, from G down to G flat, A to A flat, and so on. Also notice that the only ones that are not going to be black keys are going to be F flat, which is the same as E, and C flat, which is the same as B. And just like the sharps, we don't play those very often, and you're not going to be playing those today, so you really don't need to worry about those. You're just going to be playing the flats that are on black keys. So when I am looking at my song here, I'm going to notice right here that in measure 2, I've already got an E flat. Now, this is very interesting because notice that I have a flat in front of the note here. So I've got an E flat and then a D, and then I have another E, but it doesn't have a flat in front of it. Well, here's how I know what I'm supposed to play. Is it still in the same measure as the flat that preceded it? Yes, it is. And so what that means is that this E is still going to be an E flat. I'm not going to switch back to E natural unless I've passed over a bar line. Once I pass over a bar line, if I have another E, I'm going to play just a plain old E, which we call E natural, on the white key, unless it has a flat in front of it. So please remember that. Anytime you've got a flat on that note already in the measure, then it keeps it flat for the rest of that measure. Once you pass the bar line, the flat goes away. So let's try Zum Gali Gali. I'm going to start in C position for this one. So here I am right here from the beginning. Zum Gali Gali Gali, Zum Gali Gali, Zum Gali Gali Gali, Zum Gali Gali. Left hand. Crescendo here. Forte. And notice that they threw a little sharp in there at the very end for the left hand. So once you have learned all of the notes for this, it says at the beginning to play with energy. So it's actually going to go a lot faster than I just played it. It would sound more like this.